Hey cat, what are you staring at? It's just crumbs, not a tuna stick. I'm just curious. Are you a real bird or a remote control toy? I'm a real bird, dude. You think I'm some happy meal surprise? Alright, but you're just so cute, like dangerously toy like cute. Makes me wanna play. Fine, as long as it's not playing it. I still have long-term life goals, you know? Relax. I'm vegan today, but tomorrow, who knows what my vibe will be? Cool, we can be friends. But just so we're clear, I sleep in a cage, not in your stomach.